Hello friends, so today I will show you how to make a pen stand with this Colgate wrapper, and this is empty. So first of all, what I need to do is to tape it, because I need both the sides to be closed properly. So I have taken my tape with me and I will just tape it first, tape it properly to close it nicely. So from any one side, I'm taking this side, so I'm marking 8 centimeters here, because I want to cut it into two parts. So I'm 8 centimeters here. Same, I will mark on all the sides one by one. And from here also 8 centimeters. And from here to 8 centimeters, same from all the sides. Now with a knife I will just cut it. So I'm taking this knife with me. So I will cut with this knife. Just cut from the three sides. And the fourth side you can do like this. So any three sides just cut, and from this part you can just do it like this. And at this point only I will just glue this. Do it like this a bit, and I will just glue this part. So I am taking this glue with me, the transparent glue one, and just do it like this and close. And then now only to give it a more finished look, I will use my scissors and I will just trim it up. Trim a little bit here. Because clean look will look much nice. That rough look is not looking nice. That's why I am doing this. And now to cover this, I am using this blue colored sheet. So how to cover is, I will just make comment how much is this. This is 11.5 centimeters around. So just mark it 11.5 centimeters here. Till here I will do that. And I will just join these. Lines, these dots. And for this, cut this with your scissors. This is what I need. I'm keeping this one aside. And this, so both are the same around. It's half sheet. I was just looking at it. So now I will just take this size, size 5, around 5.5. That's 5, so I will make it 5.2 centimeters. Mark 5.2, a little bit more than this. Till here. The ruler, I will just join these 2 points. And we'll cut it. Keeping this aside because I don't want this sheet of paper. I will just paste this first and then I will paste this. So I'm just taking my glue, and with this I will put glue over here. And here. And also over here, the spaces which I need to cover on all those areas. Let's take this and let's put some of it inside. So it will, when I cover this thing, it will give it a more finished look. So I'm just doing it a little bit inside it, and this also, if it can go. And now just press it inside. I've already applied glue there and below also, and stretch it because I don't want this paper to be loose. So just stretch and press is very important over here. I can check from this side also, so it's okay. Now I will cut the extra part which I don't need. I don't need this, so I will cut this extra out. And put this inside. It will automatically go inside when this sheet will come. So let's clean this area first, and then I will start doing it. First, put some glue over here. And stick it. Stick it from end to end like this, as you can see. and then glue this part also. So taking one by one all the sides, let's glue. And now it's okay. So let's do like this. Stretch. There's more here. It's okay now. So I will put glue over here also. And now this part should be inside it, and this part is left now. Let's cover it up the whole like this. And now this part I will also glue it. And so now this is the top part, and this is the sides and all. So but I don't need this part now, this space here, so I will just cut it out. So I will just do like this, because I have already sticked paper to it, so I don't need this. And from here also. One by one, just cut it out. Because I no longer need this. Cut it more properly to make a finished look. Make it a proper one. First keep it aside. This is waste for me now. And cut from here also. Okay, now it's done. Just paste it more properly, just press it. The glue will take its time, but it will do fine. This glue is very good. So now this is one side, this is the other. This is the one, this is another, this is another, all the four sides, and this is the back, and this is the front. So to make it decorative, I will use a decorative tape now. So I have this tape, this stripes one, these diagonal things one. So I will just tape it to make it more decorative. and make it more nice, to look more nice. So taking one side, one at a time, I will just tape it. So there is some problem with this tape, it's not coming out. So I will take another tape with me, the ice cream shaped tape which I have. So I will use this. So I have this tape with me, the ice cream patterned one. So I will just apply on one side each, one at a time. So it's done. I will just cut this tape now. So this pen stand is done. So if you want to make it of multicolor, you can make it, or you can cover this inside, it's up to you. But for me it's really very fine, because I want to make it very decorative and easy to carry pen stand. So, and it's very interesting for kids also. It has steps kind of a thing, and a decorative tape. And I will show you by putting some stuff, by putting some pencils in it, so it will be more easy for you to have a clear look about it, on it. So there are some pencils in it, and still there is much space left here after keeping so many pencils too. And these are some erasers that I can put on this small space, and a sharpener, and one can also keep their ruler in it, or maybe this cutter, knife. So many things, and it's very easy to take out and put it in at the same time, and easy to carry from one room to the other. For kids also, it's not so heavy for them to carry. So if you want to make it more fancy, it's up to you, or cover it inside, it's optional, really very optional. For me it's perfectly fine, and I'm happy to make it for my kids.